Welcome to QCommission. Log in to the app to see how ServiceTitan invoices import into QC transactions. In ServiceTitan application, we have the following records to import into QC. We are importing the records from ServiceTitan into transactions. Currently, we don't have any records in the transaction page. Mappings are established between ServiceTitan invoices item and QCommission transactions. Now we will import the ServiceTitan records into QC as follows. Go to Data Integration page. Add a new record. Provide the specification ID. Click Next. Select Add a new profile. Click Choose File to add the profile. Click Provide Source Information to enter the ServiceTitan details. Click OK to save. The target is not required as we are importing into QC. Click Next. Click Finish to save the specification. Click Run Data Transfer to import the data from ServiceTitan. Data integration completed. 109 ServiceTitan invoice item records imported into QC transactions. The QC transaction page shows 109 records imported from ServiceTitan. Thank you for watching.